Cookware sets are a great choice to improve the quality of your dishes without the need for too many utensils. With these sets, you'll have everything you need to cook comfortably and efficiently, whether you're preparing a quick meal or a more complex recipe. So, in today's video, we'll show you the 7 best cookware sets available on the market and help you decide which one best suits your needs. If you're interested in checking the current prices of each cookware set, or if you want to purchase one, I'll leave the links in the video description and the first comment so you can check them out anytime. We begin with the Gotham Steel 1717 cookware set, a collection that has transformed kitchens worldwide with its diamond-reinforced, non-stick ceramic technology. This set offers top-tier performance in every aspect, from durability to its sleek exterior. And the best part is that the surface is scratch-resistant. The non-stick ceramic coating is designed to make cooking easier. It doesn't require oil or butter, allowing for healthier meals and incredibly fast cleanup. Just toss the pieces into the dishwasher and say goodbye to stuck-on food. This 12-piece set includes essentials like 8.5-inch and 10.5-inch frying pans, a 5-quart pot with a glass lid, and more. Everything you need to fully equip your kitchen. Each piece ensures even heat distribution thanks to the spiral aluminum base, which eliminates hot spots for perfect cooking results. Safety is a priority with this cookware. It's free from chemicals like PFOA and PFOS, and the ergonomic handles stay cool to the touch, providing maximum comfort. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, this set is perfect for moving from stove to oven or straight to the table with ease, making your cooking experience more enjoyable and convenient. Next, we have the CAROTE cookware set, perfect for those who need durability and an efficient design. Its standout feature is the granite non-stick material, which is free from PFOS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, ensuring healthy cooking without food sticking and making cleanup easy with minimal oil, contributing to a balanced diet. This set includes 2 frying pans, 8 inches and 10.5 inches, a 10.5-inch wok, and saucepans of 1.9 quarts and 2.7 quarts. It also comes with 2 interchangeable handles, which lock in place with a single click and can support up to 22 pounds, offering a more comfortable and flexible cooking experience. The pieces are also stackable, saving space in your kitchen. The transderm base on the pots and pans enhances heat distribution, ensuring even cooking. This set is also compatible with all stovetops, including induction and ovens. Combining practicality and health, this cookware set is an excellent choice for those seeking quality, functionality, and space efficiency in every piece. Remember that all purchase links with the most up-to-date prices are available in the video's description and in the first comment. On the other hand, we present the GreenPan cookware set, a top choice known for its durability and eco-friendly design. This set includes 5-inch, 8-inch, and 10-inch frying pans, along with 1-quart and 2-quart saucepans with lids, a 3-quart sauté pan with a lid, a 5-quart stock pot with a lid, plus a stainless steel steamer and bamboo utensils such as spoons and turners. The standout feature of this set is its diamond-reinforced non-stick coating, making it safe for use with metal utensils while providing exceptional durability. This coating ensures even heating and easy cleanup, allowing you to enjoy a hassle-free cooking experience. In addition, the thermal and ceramic coating is completely toxin-free, promoting healthier cooking. The aluminum bodies of the pieces offer excellent durability and allow for quick, even heating, making them ideal for everyday use. Another benefit is that the cookware is oven and broiler safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Although it's not compatible with induction stovetops, the ergonomic Bakelite handles ensure a comfortable, secure grip and remain cool to the touch while cooking. We continue this list with the Gotham Steel 1419 Pro cookware set, perfect for those who value durability, performance, and a touch of style in their kitchen. Made from hard anodized aluminum, this material is tougher than regular stainless steel and provides excellent heat distribution for even cooking. Not only does it perform well, but it also adds a sleek look to any kitchen setup. This complete set includes an 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12.5-inch frying pan, a 1.5-quart and 2.5-quart saucepan with lids, a 3-quart chef's pan with a lid, a 3-quart sauté pan, and a 6-quart stock pot with a lid. With this set, you'll have everything you need to cook like a pro right from the start. The highlight of this cookware is its triple-layer non-stick coating, which ensures your food won't stick and makes cleaning up a breeze. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, further simplifying the cleanup process. The Stay Cool handles are ergonomic, riveted, and designed to stay cool even after long hours on the stove. They are comfortable for both right-handed and left-handed cooks, allowing for easy and safe handling throughout the cooking process. Next on the list is the T-fal cookware set, an all-around and versatile option for any cooking enthusiast. This set includes 7.75-inch and 11-inch frying pans, 1-quart and 2-quart saucepans with lids, a 5.5-quart Dutch oven with a lid, and a 10.25-inch griddle. Additionally, it comes with essential utensils like a spoon, ladle, and slotted spatula, providing everything you need for various recipes. This cookware set is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Its interior and exterior are coated with a non-stick material, allowing you to cook with less oil and making cleaning easier. It's compatible with all cooking methods except induction and is PFOA, lead, and cadmium-free for safer cooking. One of the standout features is the thermospot indicator, which signals when the pan has reached the ideal cooking temperature. The set is also oven-safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The ergonomic handles ensure a comfortable grip and are heat-resistant, while the tempered glass lids with vents help retain moisture and heat inside the pots. Combining quality and practicality, this set is perfect for those who want both performance and durability in their everyday cooking routine. If you're enjoying the video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest content. Continuing, we have the Astercook cookware set, designed to make your cooking experience smoother and more efficient. This set features a high-performance non-stick coating, which not only provides long-lasting durability but also promotes healthier cooking as it is free from harmful chemicals. One of its standout features is the removable safety handle with an advanced locking mechanism, ensuring a secure and stable grip while cooking. The detachable handle also makes for easy storage and faster cleaning, saving space in your kitchen and simplifying your post-cooking routine. In terms of compatibility, this cookware set is incredibly versatile, working seamlessly on various heat sources, including induction, gas, and ceramic stovetops. Its high-quality aluminum construction ensures even and efficient heat distribution, no matter the cooking method. Built to last, this set is tested for long-term durability and stability, making it a reliable choice for frequent use. Along with the superior quality, you'll also enjoy excellent customer service to enhance your cooking experience. Finally, we present the GreenLife cookware set, a standout collection featuring a healthy ceramic non-stick coating derived from sand, completely free from harmful chemicals. This ensures safe cooking and makes cleaning a breeze. The set comes with a variety of pieces, including a 4-inch mini frying pan and a 5-quart pot with a lid, giving you all the tools you need for any kitchen task. Additionally, the soft grip Bakelite handles are designed to stay cool while cooking, providing both comfort and safety. Crafted from recycled aluminum and reinforced with a wobble-free base, this cookware ensures even heat distribution and long-lasting durability. While it's dishwasher safe, most of the time, a quick wipe with a cloth is all you'll need to clean it, making maintenance extremely easy. Not only does this set deliver in quality, but it also gives you the peace of mind of cooking without toxins. With its eco-friendly design and ergonomic handles, the GreenLife cookware is perfect for those seeking both functionality and comfort in the kitchen. Well, that's it for today. Let us know if we helped you find the perfect cookware set, or if there's another cookware set you'd like to see in our next top list. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. If you want more info and the latest prices for each of the products, make sure to check out the links in the video description and the first comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.